Hi everyone. So once again welcome to our maths class. In the last previous classes we have learned algebraic expressions. Okay now? So how to solve the problems in the exercise 12.3. 5 problems we have completed. So today we will complete the remaining problems. Now take your textbooks and notebooks. Okay now? Right. Now sixth question, see all of you. Simplify the expressions and find the value if x is equal to x plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5. Okay, so take your notebooks. So write the sixth question. So that is x plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5. Here we have to simplify the expression, and what you have to do? You have to find the value of if x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, then what is the value of the expression? Right. First we have to simplify this one. X plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5. How to simplify? 4, this bracket you have to consider as into 4 into x, 4x. Here plus into minus, that is minus 4 into 5. 4 5s 20 is equal to. Now here the x, here 4x. How many x we have? Yes, 5x. 5x plus 7 or minus 20. Here 20 is more, but in front here having minus. Okay, whatever we will ignore the signs first. Here we have to subtract. That is 20 minus 7. That is minus 22 plus 7. If you subtract, you will get, yes, exactly minus 13. So here given if x is equal to, what is the value of x here? If x is equal to 2. So putting here x is equal to 2 in this expression. So what we get here? So here substitute instead of x here 2. 5 into 2 minus 13 is equal to 5 2s are 10 minus 13. So 10 minus 13, yes, is equal to minus 3. Very good. Children, so similarly, see the second one. 3 into x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7. So here also we have to, yes, simplify the expression first. That is 3 into x. 3x plus 3 2s are 6 plus 5x minus 7. Next, 3x plus 5x. So both terms you write at once, please. Next, plus 6 minus 7. Now tell me 3x plus 5x how much? 3x plus 5, that is 8x plus 6 minus 7. You have to subtract from minus 7 to plus 6. You get here minus 1, that is minus 1. So here what you have to find? How to find the value of expression. So then putting x is equal to 2, substitute 8 into x plus 2 minus 1. 8 2s are 16 minus 1. 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. Is it clear, children? Right. Similarly, third question and fourth one also same. So third one, see look here. So third one 6x plus 5 into x minus 2. Now simplify. 6x plus 5 into x. 5x plus into minus 5 2s are 10. Now 6x plus 5x. 6 plus 5, 11x minus 10. So here also we have to put in the x value is equal to 2. Substitute 11 into 2 minus 10. 11 2s are 22 minus 10. 22 minus 10 is equal to 12. Very good. Now it's fourth question I am giving to you homework. So take fourth question as homework to you. And next enter expressions and find their values. If x is equal to 3, a is equal to -1, b is equal to -2. So what given here? X is equal to 3, a is equal to -1, b is equal to -2. So here we have to simplify the expression. Many expressions given in the 7th problem. So first one, that is 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. We have to simplify this expression and instead of x and a, b, substitute these values. Okay, then find the value of expression. Right. So here 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. So here the like terms. So that is 3x and x here. Okay. So here 3x minus x write at once. 3x minus x constants write at one place. So next 3x minus x is equal to 2x minus 5 plus 9. Exactly, plus 4. So what did I say? So here substitute, if x is there, yes, 3. You have to substitute. So 2 into 3 plus 4. 2 3s are 6 plus 4 is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Right. So similarly, second one, 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. So this one also we have to solve. That is, first write x terms here, 8x plus 4x, and the next constants plus 2 plus 4 minus 8x plus 4x. So how many x will be there? Yes. So here minus 4x plus 2 plus 4 is plus 6. Now putting here x is equal to, what is that? 3 plus 6. So we write here putting x is equal to 3. Now 4 3s are 12, that is minus 12 plus 6. Minus 12 plus 6. How much? Minus 6. Minus 6 is the value of that expression. Right. Next see third one, 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. Now here write the a terms 3a plus minus 8a and write the constants plus 5 plus 1. Now substitute here. First, before going to substitute, simplify 3a minus 8a. So how much? That is minus 5a plus 5 plus 1 is equal to plus 6. Now here, putting x or a? A is equal to minus 1. Minus 5 into a value is minus 1 plus 6. Minus into minus is plus 5 into 1, 5. Plus 6. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 5 plus 6 is 11. Very good. So, fourth question and fifth question I am giving to you homework. In the exercise 12.3, in the sixth question, fourth one, and seventh question, third, fourth one, and fifth question. Same method. Write the expression after you simplify. So next substitute the x or a and which one? B. Okay, so these values you substitute and find the value of the expression. Is it clear, children? Very good. So next see 8th question what he given? If z is equal to 10, find the value of z cube minus 3 into z minus 10. If z is equal to 10, okay, if z is equal to 10, what is the value of this expression? What is the value? Okay, so here first we have to simplify. Before going to finding the value of this expression, we have to simplify this. Z cube given z cube minus 3 into z minus 10. Simplify. How to simplify? We will simplify this one. 3 into z is 3z minus into minus is plus, 3 into 10 is 3 tens are 30. Okay, so here all are different. There is z cube here, z, so that's why we will not subtract or addition is not possible here. So that's why here what we have to do? Putting z is equal to 10. Z is equal to 10. Now instead of z you want to have write? You have to write 10. So 10 cube minus 3 into 10 plus 30. 10 cube, 10 to the power of 3. So 10 cube means here 10 is multiplied 3 times. Okay, so 10 is multiplied 3 times. Okay, 10 is raised 3 times. So 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. What is the value of 10 cube? 1000 minus 3 into 10. 3 tens are 30 plus 30. Okay, na children? Right. Here we have to yes, subtract here minus 30 plus 30. So what is that? Both are equal to 0. Minus 30 plus 30. What is the remaining value? 1000. Now tell me what is the value of that expression? Z cube minus 3 into z minus 10 value is 1000. Similarly, if p is equal to minus 10, then what is the value of p square minus 2p minus 100? What is the value? Same procedure. So p square means minus 10 whole square minus 2 into, okay, 2 into minus 10 minus 100. Where the p value is there and there you substitute minus 10. Here 10 square. So 10 raised to how many times? 2 times. That is 10 is multiplied 2 times. 10 into 10 is equal to 10 tens are 100. Here minus is also there. Okay, minus also multiplied 2 times. That is minus into minus is equal to plus. Okay, right. Now 10 square is 100. Minus into minus plus 2 into 10. 2 tens 20 minus 100. Now all add the positive values. 100 plus 20 is equal to 120 minus 100. 120 minus 100 is equal to, yes, 20 is the value of that expression. Is it clear, children? Right. So next, 91. What should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5 when x is equal to 0? What given here? What should be the value of a? What should be the value of a? Okay, if the value of 2x square plus x minus a is equal to 5, the expression of 2x square plus x minus a value is equal to 5. Okay, so when x is equal to 0, what should be the value of a? What is the value of a? Here we have to find the value of a. Right? First, the given expression. So what is the given expression? That is equal to, yes, 5. So the expression is here 2x square given 2x square plus x minus a is equal to 5. Is equal to 5. Here when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0. So what is the value of this expression? Let us check this one. 2 into, so x place substitute 0, 0 square plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. So 2 into 0. So if any number is multiplied by 0, what we get here? 0. 2 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 square also means 0 only. 0 cube 0. 0 minus a is equal to 5. 0 plus 0, 0. So here what is the remaining? Minus a is equal to 5. So our a is equal to minus 5. What is the value of a is equal to? A is equal to minus 5. Tell me, what is the value of A? Is minus 5. Very good. So finally, see the 10th question. See in that question, simplify the expression and find its value when A is equal to 5 and B is equal to minus 3. Okay, so the given expression in the 10th question, 2 into A square plus AB plus 3 minus AB. So we have to simplify this expression and find the value of this, okay, expression. When A is equal to, what are the given values of A? Is equal to 5 and B is equal to minus 3. B is equal to minus 3. First, before going to finding the value of this expression, first we have to simplify. How to simplify here? 2 into A square plus B. First you have multiplied 2 into the, yes, each term. That is 2 into A square. 2A square plus 2 into AB. 2AB. Okay, next plus 3 minus AB. Now 2A square. So is there any A squares? No, there is only one term, that is 2A square. Next 2AB. Here, yes, exactly, minus AB. Here plus 2AB minus AB. So what we get here? Yes, plus AB and plus 3. When A is equal to 5, B is equal to minus 3, then what is the value of this expression? So after simplifying this, we got the expression that is 2A square plus AB plus 3. So in this expression, we have to substitute A is equal to 5 and B is equal to minus 3 value. Now I am substituting here. Look here, 2 into. So what is the value of A here? A is 5. 5 square. What you have to read? This one is square. Okay. 5 to the power 2. Simply we can say that 5 square. Right. Plus AB. Here A value is 5 and B value is minus 3 plus 3. Next, 2 into 5 square. So what did I say? 5 square means 5 is multiplied. Yes, 5 raised to 2 times. So that is 5 square is nothing but 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. Okay. Suppose 4 square is there. How to write that one? 4 into 4. Okay, no? So don't multiply like 5 into 2, 10. So that is wrong. 5 raised to 2 times. So that is 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Remember. Now 2 into 25. Okay. Next, here plus 5 into minus 3. Simplify plus into minus. Minus 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3. Again 2 into 25. So multiply 25 by 2, that is 2 into 25. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s 4 plus 1 5. 50 minus 50 plus 3. Okay, right. So here the positive values are 50, yes, plus 3. That is how much? 53 minus 15. 53 minus 15 is equal to, subtract 15 from 53. So 3 minus 5, not possible. Take the bar out from 5. It becomes 13. 13 minus 5 is, yes, 8. Here one value is written, that is 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So what is the final value? 38. What is the value of this expression? 38. Like this, children, you have to find the value whatever it may be. First to simplify the expression. After that, substitute the given values. You will get the answer. So like that you have to follow. Okay, children. So up to now we have completed this 12.3 problems. So what did I give that homework? That is in the 6th problem, 4th one and 7th question, 4th one and 5th problem. So you have to solve. Okay, copy that. So next, what are the rules for number patterns? Okay, so what is the suppose what are the natural numbers? Natural numbers are 1. What is the successor? Successor means you have to add 1 to the given number. You will get here 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That means here 1 successor is 2, 2 successor is 3 and 3 successor is 4. Okay, right. Similarly, so if suppose 2n, okay, so 2n, take 2, n value is equal to 2. So you will get here 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So if the successor of this 2n plus 1, that is 2 into 2 plus 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, so if 2n, if you take, it will give the odd or even number. So if you add 1 to the given value, so you got here odd number. So not only that, if you see the patterns in the numbers, so how many line segments are required to form a letter or digit 4? So it is the digit 4 digit. How many line segments are required? So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So where did you see such type of digits? Exactly in the digital clock. So that means we have to form here the digit 4. We need how many line segments? How many? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So how many line segments required here? 4. Like if you want to form 2, okay. So 2, 4 digits. So how many line segments required? So that is 1 digit and the next 2. So like this. So here 2 4s are formed. That is how many line segments required? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So listen first. Like that, if you want to form 3 4s, so then how many digits, how many line segments will required? So count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 10. That means here how the pattern is follows. So to make the digit 4, so how many line segments are required here? 4. So 4 is the successor of, yes, 3. Right. So here the pattern is if you take 3n plus 1, so that is 3. Instead of 4n, take 4. If you multiply 3 into, so if you take first one digit na, so if you take 1 4, so in place substitute 1, that is 3 into 1 plus 1. 3 into 1 is equal to 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. If you take 2 fours, that is 3 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Right, like that 3 fours, that is equal to 10. So that means here the pattern is 3n plus 1. So already I said na. So 2n, the successor is 2n plus 1. If you take the 2n, you will get here even number. 2n plus 1, you will get odd number. Okay na? So observe here, if you take 3n, okay, so what will you get here? What will you get here? 3 only. If you take 4n, so here 4 we have to form, that is 4 into 1, we will get 4. So 4 2s we have to form, that is we have to add 4n plus 1 to the 4n. Then 4 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 4 2s are 8 plus 1. Is that right? Is it correct? No. So that's why we have to take the pattern here 3n plus 1. So here the pattern is follows 3n plus 1. So like that remaining digit you may take and find how many line segments are required? Okay, so like that the patterns are on the numbers. Okay, children, next come to the exercise 12.4. So here also some more patterns are there. We have to solve these problems. Now keep heading exercise 12.4. So first problem. Observe the patterns of digits made from the line segments of equal length. You will find such segmented digits on the display of electronic watches or calculator. So in the calculators or electronic watches, so digits are like this now. So in the given textbook, that is a 6 is formed like this. Yes, so such type of digits we are watching, we are seeing in the electronic watches or calculators. So we have to write here the pattern. So what is the rule for this pattern? So how many line segments are required here? So making it for one digit, how many line segments? 6. So 2, how many? For 2 here. So already given in the problem. So right. So that is 11, and similarly, so if you take 3 digits, so that is so if you take 3 digits, 6 digits, so you need 16 line segments. So like that, the pattern is 5 here plus 1. So observe here 5n plus 1. So if you take one digit, that is n is equal to 1. Here 1 6th digit. Okay. So here 5n plus 1. Is it correct or not? Check. So 5 into 1 plus 1. That is 5 ones. 5 into 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So if 2 6. That is 5 into 2 plus 1. 5 2s are 10 plus 1. That is 11. Okay. So to make the 2 digits, 16 line segments are required. So like that 3, 6. So how many line segments will require here? 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16. So what is the rule for this number? That is 5n plus 1. Similarly 4 digit. So to make the digit to 4, so how many line segments required? So here 4, 7, 10. So and the pattern is 3n plus 1 and 7, 12, 17. So to make the 8 digit, 5n plus 2 given. So if the number of digits formed is taken to be n, the number of segments required to form n digits is given by the algebraic expression appearing on the right of each pattern. How many segments are required to form 5, 10, 100 digits of the kind? Okay, so to make the one digit, okay, it required 6 line segment, 6 digits required 11 line segments, 3 6 digits required 16 line segments, like that. If you take 5 6, then how many line segments required? Next 10 6, how many line segments need? So next 100, like that. So we have to find the number of line segments for 5, 10, 100 of 6, 4, 8 digits. For that we prepare one table and find the number of line segments required for 6, 4, 8. Okay na children? Now draw the table. So first serial number, right? So we need here the digit number. What is the digit number? And the next one, what is the pattern? So what is the rule for this number? Pattern, formula, and the next number of line segments. Number of line segments. Right. Okay, first, what is the symbol? Symbol. What is the symbol? Symbol is 6. 6 symbol and digit. So how many 6 or we have to take 5 and 10 and next 100 given. So 5, 10, 100. What is the pattern formula? Pattern formula. What is the pattern formula already given? 5 and plus 1. So if you take 5 digit, the digit number is 5, then how many line segments will require? So substitute here, putting n is equal to, okay, so putting n is equal to 5. First for the first symbol, how many line segments will require? If you take n is equal to 5, then substitute in the rule, that is 5 into 5 plus 1. 5 into 5. So 5 is 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. So how many line segments required? How many line segments required if you take 6 symbols? That is 26. Okay, like that 10. So if you take n is equal to 10, substitute 5 into 10 plus 1. 5 times 50 plus 1, 51. So similarly 100. If n is equal to 100, 5 into 100 plus 1. 5 into 100 is 500 plus 1 is equal to 501. Okay, na children? Right, 501. Next, take the symbol is 4. If you take the symbol 4, okay, so how many digits you have to take? 5, 10, 100. So what is the pattern formula here? So 4 digit 4, what is the pattern? 3 and plus 1. 3 and plus 1. So substitute here, n the value is, putting n is equal to 5, n is equal to 5. Right. So in the rule, 3 into 5 plus 1. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 is 16. Next, similarly, n is equal to 10. 3 into 10 plus 1. 3 times 30 plus 1, 31. n is equal to 100. 3 into 100 plus 1 is equal to 300 plus 1. 301. So if you take the digit to 5, so number of line segments required is 16. If you take n digit number 10, number of line segments required 31. If you take n is equal to 100, number of line segments are required 301. Next, what is the symbol? Symbol is 8. So next symbol is 8. The digits 5, 10, 100. So and the rule is 3n or 5n plus 2. So is the rule. Pattern formula. So if putting n is equal to 5, substitute in the formula 5 into 5 plus 2. 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27. So what is the number of line segments required? The digit 5 for the symbol 8. So 27 line segments. Like that, n is equal to 10. The 5 into 10 plus 2. 5 times 50 plus 2 is equal to 52. n is equal to 100. 5 into 100 plus 2. 5 into 100 is 500 plus 2, 502. So number of line segments for digit 10, 52, digit 100. So number of line segments are 502. Okay, now children? Yes. Let's see children. Second one. Use the given algebraic expression to complete the table of number patterns. Okay. So here expression is 2n minus 1. And the number of terms given, first term, second term, third term, fourth, fifth and so on. 100th term given. If you take one term, okay. So 1 only. If you take 10 terms, so here, so 10 terms means 2 into 10 minus 1, 2 into 10, 20, minus 1 is equal to 19. Okay, so like that 100 terms, you will get 199, right? So like that you have to fill all the blanks. Okay, so substitute terms in the expression. Okay, na? So fill the table. Okay, children. So this one I am giving to you homework in exercise 12.4, second question. Okay, so 12.3 and 12.4 few problems given. Solve these all problems neatly and post in the Google form.